Hi everyone, my name is Brandt and welcome to the World Tour 2025. 2025 marks my last year of official group teaching. I have been teaching over 15 years in my 25-year career, and it's time to wind it down a little bit. While I won't quit teaching altogether, I am retiring for my small group workshops that I've been doing around the world. The World Tour is designed to kind of wrap up over a decade of teaching. I will be bringing along some of my certified trainers throughout the tour, and it's a 2-day event. We are working in many countries, as you can see on the screen, as well as many states. The purpose of this tour is to guide you in maternity posing, newborn posing, as well as reintroduce AI technologies and bring our work to a whole new level. It's for many different levels of photographers. Whether you are just starting out in the field or you've been around a long time and want to get together with old friends, learn new ideas, and be inspired, this is the tour for you. Many of our locations are already sold out. However, many are not. So there's still time to register. Make sure you check out many of the different states and countries and find a spot that you'd like to attend and sign up now. We do believe that eventually, hopefully, all of the locations will be sold out. Once this tour is complete, I'll still be teaching just in a smaller capacity, as well as working on some international endeavors. We are adding a tiny little addition, which is a newborn mini baby tour geared towards the beginner photographer. If you are somebody that's brand new to newborn photography, you might want to check out the mini baby tour that is only happening in select states and countries. It is a 1-day with an optional hands-on 2-day tour, and it is part of our world tour. It is just geared more towards those who are brand new, starting out, and really need to understand and learn the fundamentals and basics of newborn photography. In the mini baby tour portion, we will not be including maternity nor AI. Some of you who have already registered for the tour may want to join in on the baby tour. You're welcome to do that as well. The mini baby tour will also have a smaller class size so that we can focus on individual attention to the newborn photographers. You can view the website and see all of the different areas as well as the description of this tour. I'm super excited about this. I think it's going to be a great way to kind of officially end my teaching career. If you're interested in sponsoring our tour and you want to learn more about that, just click on the vendor tab and you can receive information about that. If you've already signed up and registered for this tour, tag me on Instagram, #AnnaBrandt, and tell me what location you're registered for and what you most want to learn. With only 4 months left, we have so much to do to prepare for this event. We have some swag to create, such as t-shirts, tote bags, and of course, certificates. If you are signed up for this tour, make sure that you tag me on Instagram, #AnnaBrandt. Tell me what area, what city, or what country you're registered for and what you most want to learn. I look forward to seeing old and new faces, and I can't wait until next year. In the meantime, we still have quite a few workshops to wrap up this year. You can go to AnnaBrandtEducation.com and see my full schedule. Those are the final workshops of the year. Above all, make sure you sign up for the mailing list so that you can be notified of any specials or upcoming events. See you soon.